So next up, guys, we got a 2017 Western Star 4700 day cab. This is coming in from a local consignor. Brings us some good trucks. He's a one owner on it. It's been fleet maintained. It's got a Detroit DD13 diesel motor. I think it's 470 horse. Eaton Fuller 10-speed manual, 195-inch wheelbase. Just a good, honest truck, guys. Does have the aluminum rims. Starts up, forward, reverse, air ride suspension, all those things. Does have the full lockers. It's got some surface rust on the frame, but for the most part, guys, real solid truck. I think it's got like 553,000 miles, right around 20,000 hours. So, you know, heat AC, power windows, power locks, I think you got all that stuff. So I'm here with Garrett. He'll go ahead, give you a nice demo. Let's try it up there, guys. I do know that he recently did do a couple improvements on the DEF system. I think a doser and a couple other things. It cost him some money, but real good sounding truck. There's no lights on the dash, runs strong, so they would have drove it in here. It's just been a work truck all its life, but the truck's been well maintained. So there's a quick little demo, guys. 2017 Western Star 4700 day cab. Good unit, ready to go to work. So good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions.